When did mere work come to fruition from mere mortal beings? Whatever one desires, one should ask from God. How would the conscious ones know what unconsciousness is? Love itself speaks, without asking anything. Love to that fairy tale. Mir Sahib is also crazy. Oh, love, there is nothing left to do now. Our relationship has changed from fidelity to something else. Love does not rely on force. It is that fire, Galib, that neither ignites forcefully nor extinguishes easily. After my death, I have assumed the attire of a sheikh, tearful eyes, a soul of desires, a tale of the heart. Bringing radiance to the beauty does not come naturally. My heart finds solace, not the inclination to go there. We sit in the gathering of memories, lost in the circles of dreams. Pain is hidden on the paths of love, flowers bloom, but I remain displeased with myself. Sometimes we pause in the realm of thoughts, drenched in the rain of your memories. I am not afraid of the complaints of the world. I ask myself, do I love you? Days and nights pass like this, with you in my thoughts. Like a mirror, you are with me at every moment.